everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. Happy Tuesday. I'm so excited to be day 2 of lives, and we are working toward, let me make sure, okay, just making sure my hot glue gun was on. We are working towards a tiered tray for like Memorial Day, 4th of July, just a patriotic tiered tray is what we're working towards this week, okay? And today, we're gonna kind of, you may have seen the blog post that I shared about the woodblock firecrackers that I made on the blog, and I painted them and stuff. Well, we're doing that today, but we're taking a different approach to it, and we are gonna Mod Podge instead of paint our little wood blocks. And these are a little bit smaller, so I just have 3 different ones, and we're gonna turn them into little firecrackers for our whatever I'm doing, for our patriotic tiered tray, okay? So I got these last year, and I don't know which ones I'm using today. I just grabbed them all up, and we're like, hey, we are, we're just gonna go with it, okay? So I think what I wanna do though, because I really like this one a lot, I just think it's so cute. I think I wanna do that on the bigger one. So let's just start with this one. We're going to do the front and the sides, okay? I'm not going to do the back today because it won't be seen. We could always go paint the back or something, so it's no big deal. But I'm going to go ahead and just, we're going to go ahead and do the paper. So all I'm going to do right here is just cut, well, I'm sorry. What I'm going to do first, and then I've got this laying on like a piece of something that's on here. Get this off real quick. Got a piece of something on my table that's needs to be cut off. It's a piece of dried up glue. Okay, so I'm just going to trace my block is what I was trying to say, not so eloquently. Lots of love from Charleston, South Carolina. Gosh, I love Charleston. That is literally one of the prettiest places I've ever been. I just love that town. Just all the old houses. Oh, so much history there. I love it. Okay, so all I did was cut this, or I keep saying cut. All I did was trace that, and now I'm going to cut it. So we cut it, and then, of course, we're going to put it on the front. We're just going to Mod Podge it, okay? Now, but before we do that, I want to, I'm going to think about this for a second. Okay, I thought about it. I didn't have to think long. I was trying to decide how I want the edges to be, and I think I want it with a different paper. That way it doesn't look like it's like not lined up right, you know what I mean? I got the paper from Hobby Lobby last year, but I'm sure they still have it. So I think what I'm going to use on the sides, so I use this for the front of my block, for this one. And I'm going to put it on here in a minute. But I think for the sides, I want to use this one. That way it's a little bit different. Do you think that'll be cute? I do. That was a hot second of thinking. Yeah, that was really quick. Oh gosh, that was real quick, wasn't it? Okay, so I'm just going to trace the side now. And this is a perfect square. So the good thing is I can use the same one and just trace it 4 times. All right. So this is what we started with, was this little wood block. Now I'm going to put some Mod Podge on my block. Just going to squeeze it out there. It's a little bit, it's kind of old, but it still works good. So I'm just going to, I hate using foam brushes. I tell y'all that all the time, but I just grabbed this one for this because I knew it would do the trick. So I'm just gonna, I cut it out, I put Mod Podge down, and now I'm just literally gonna lay this on top of it and then smooth it out to make sure there's no, whatever I'm trying to say. Okay. We're going to sand the edges too, so we're good. So this is the front, and that's why I said, like, I just feel like the sides needed something, so that's why we used the little polka dots, and we're going to put them on, and like I said, we're going to sand it all so it all kind of flows together. So all I did was this. I added it to all the sizes. So from a distance, it looks fine. Up close, you can tell that it definitely needs to be sanded. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, here we go. Look, how cute is our first block, y'all, for real. Okay, so we're not done with it, but at least we have it Mod Podged, and now we can add like the stem and stuff, and then we can add so that's what makes it like the firecracker, and then we will add our cute ribbon and all that fun stuff, and then we'll move on to the other two, okay? And then you'll see them all together. So this is what we've got. Now, I like to take sticks from the yard to use as my little firecrackers. That's what I like to use because they're free. But you can literally use whatever you want. Anything that you want that'll stick up is totally fine. Now, typically, I would paint these white or red or blue. All you gotta do is paint them. They're just a stick. But for time's sake today, I'm actually not gonna do this. I'm just gonna hot glue some sticks. I'm not gonna actually paint them just because it takes long enough to do this project anyway. So I'm gonna put a big old piece of hot glue right here. Don't worry, we're gonna have so much stuff around it, you're not even gonna see that big glob, okay? And we're just gonna stick the sticks in it, and we are going to, whoa, now they're getting away from me. Come on now. So something else we can do, like, so this is some red and white ribbon. I've got this buffalo check blue ribbon, regular blue. I just grabbed any kind of scrap ribbon I could find. I've literally got a bunch. Definitely we used this yesterday, and I know I want to use this again today. Those are so cute. There's no rhyme or reason to how you have to do it. You just kind of bring it together. And look how cute it is, seriously. And you can just set it down in your hot glue and it's gonna stick. See how cute that is? So here is our first one. We got this cute little firecracker, and then the sides are with that. That is adorable. Y'all, this will be so cute when we're done, okay? So I'm gonna set this to the side real quick. Where should I set it? Like, I guess right here. You can't really see it, which that's okay. And now we're gonna go to our next biggest one. I think that'll be the easiest thing to do. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut this and get rolling on this. So I'm doing this on the front, like that. So let's go ahead and put that on there. So this is cute. Isn't that cute paper though, for real? Okay, so then the sides are gonna be this. All right, so here is this one. How cute, y'all, for real. And it's like real flush. So this is the first one we did. And then this is the second one, okay? But we have to do the top. So I think I'm going to maybe do something a little bit different this time. I'm going to take some of my Rick-Rack, which I just call twirly ribbon or whatever. I'm not, you know, but I think it's actually called Rick-Rack. And then some of my blue. And then one more piece here. Maybe this blue. My scissors. I just can't get my hands right. There we go. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do right now is just actually pull all this together and do it like this, if this makes any sense. And then I'm going to tie a piece. So all I did was just put it all together. I'm going to tie a piece of twine around it. Just trying to make it a little bit easier on myself. I think I know I did it different that first time. I just had a brain fart or something, and I don't know why, but I just did. I remember this is a much easier way to do it. Go ahead and tie the pieces together and then just glue them on the front of your thing. Okay, y'all, that's much easier, just so you know. Putting a big old glob. That's how I do it up in here, a big old glob. Okay. And while it is still wet, I'm just going to go ahead and, or while it's still hot, I'm going to go ahead and put my bow up there. And it also kind of helps bring it all together. So how cute is this? Oh my goodness, y'all, for real. And you can kind of, I don't know, kind of mess with it. But look how cute these are. These first two are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them, for real. Okay. We have one more to go, and that's our teeny tiny one, okay? So we did those two designs. Let's see. Maybe I need to do the fireworks for this little one. What do y'all think? I think that would be really cute. So I think I'm going to come down here, and I'm specifically doing it like this because I want this one design. So that's why I'm doing it on the side before I get hatred. Okay. Oops. Because I want this one piece. So I got this on there. Let's just sand it off. I'm just sanding the edges, by the way. I'm actually not sanding the paper. I didn't want the paper to have a distressed look. I literally just want the edges clean. Now, like I said, I've got this, and I am gonna use this on the sides. Y'all, I got some dust around here. Okay. Okay. So here is this. Okay. There's that. Now we're going to add the top. We're going to just finish it off just like we did before. So let's get some cute ribbon. A hot glue down like I did before. My little wicks. These are my little wicks. Okay, so look at this, y'all, for real. Is this not the most adorable little set of 3 firecrackers you've ever seen? Okay? Yes, I've been to Texas. I love me some Texas. Okay. Can y'all even see? I need to bring them back some. How cute are these? Are these not going to be adorable on our tiered tray? For real, y'all. Look how cute these are. Absolutely adorable. I absolutely love them. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for being here. Y'all have an awesome day, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye, guys.